Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you clean up your RAM. So what you have to do is press on window key and then search here, run, and then open it. So now right here temp and then click on OK. So here you can see here are some files which are showing. Now select them all and delete them. So if any folder doesn't delete, skip that and delete other folders. So let me do this. So I have deleted the folders or can say files from here. So these are just temporary files. This will not delete any data on your computer. So after this, press on window key, then right here task manager and then open it. So after opening the task manager, here you can see sort this by memory. So here you can see OBS Studio is taking the maximum memory which is of 505 MB. So this is showing the RAM used by the apps on your computer. So what you have to do is simply click on it like this and then click on this and task. So here you can see this will shut down my computer. So I will not do this. So I will cancel it. Let me do this one and this task. Okay, so access is denied. As this is a antivirus, so that's why access is denied. So let me end this task. So here you can see I have ended this task. So mainly you have to end those tasks which are running in background. So that will free up your RAM space. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.